What if a place on Earth could erase ships without warning, silence aircraft mid-flight, and leave behind no trace at all? No distress signals, no wreckage. Only unanswered questions. For nearly a century, one region of the Atlantic Ocean has been blamed for some of the most disturbing disappearances in human history. A place where compasses fail, storms rise without warning, and reality itself seems uncertain. Some say it is a natural trap shaped by weather and ocean currents. Others believe it hides secrets science is afraid to confront. Tonight, we are not here to repeat myths. We are here to uncover the truth. This is not a story of fantasy. This is a story of evidence, mistakes, and misunderstood science. This is the Bermuda Triangle. Before we go deeper, if you value calm, fact-driven documentaries that cut through myths and uncover the real stories behind the world's greatest mysteries, consider subscribing to Trillies. This channel is built for curious minds. We explore our planet, the universe, and human history with clarity, depth, and respect for truth. Now, let's uncover what really happens inside the Bermuda Triangle. For decades, the Bermuda Triangle has captured human imagination like few places on Earth. Ships vanishing without distress calls. Aircraft disappearing from radar. Crews lost forever, leaving behind only questions. Stretching across the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this region has become synonymous with mystery, fear, and the unknown. But what really happens inside the Bermuda Triangle? To understand the truth, we must separate fact from fiction. The story of the Bermuda Triangle did not begin with ancient myths or supernatural legends. It began in the modern age of navigation, when long-distance sea and air travel became common. In 1945, a U.S. Navy training mission known as Flight 19 vanished during a routine exercise. 5 aircraft disappeared, followed by a rescue plane sent to find them. No wreckage was ever officially recovered. This single incident ignited global attention and transformed a patch of ocean into a legend. Soon, similar stories followed. Cargo ships reported strange compass readings. Sailors claimed the sea behaved unnaturally calm or violently unpredictable. Pilots described sudden cloud formations that seemed to swallow aircraft whole. Over time, writers and media outlets labeled the area the Bermuda Triangle, suggesting forces beyond human understanding were at work. But is the region truly dangerous, or has it been misunderstood? Geographically, the Bermuda Triangle is not an officially recognized area. It has no fixed boundaries and does not appear on nautical charts. Major shipping lanes and flight paths pass through it every day without incident. Thousands of ships and planes safely cross this region each year, yet these uneventful journeys rarely make headlines. So why do some vessels disappear? One explanation lies in navigation itself. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. For centuries, navigators relied heavily on compasses, and a small miscalculation in this region could lead to massive course errors. Inexperienced crews, combined with outdated instruments, may have unknowingly drifted far off track. Weather is another major factor. The Atlantic Ocean is known for sudden and violent storms. Rogue waves, capable of reaching heights taller than buildings, can appear without warning. These waves are powerful enough to capsize even large ships, leaving little debris behind. In the age before satellite tracking, such events could easily erase vessels without a trace. The air above the Bermuda Triangle is equally unpredictable. The region experiences fast-moving weather systems, intense turbulence, and sudden downdrafts. A pilot caught in these conditions, especially in older aircraft, could lose control within seconds. Many aviation incidents once labeled mysterious were later explained as weather-related accidents. Then there is the seafloor itself. beneath the waters of the Bermuda Triangle lies one of the most complex underwater landscapes on Earth. Deep trenches, steep drop-offs, and powerful ocean currents dominate the region. The Gulf Stream, a massive and fast-moving current, flows directly through the area. If wreckage enters this current, it can be carried hundreds of kilometers away in a short time, making recovery nearly impossible. This explains why so little evidence is found after accidents. The ocean does not preserve secrets. It moves them. But science offers even more intriguing possibilities. Some researchers have explored the role of methane gas trapped beneath the ocean floor. In certain regions, methane hydrates can suddenly release massive gas bubbles, reducing water density. In theory, a ship caught above such a release could lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. While this phenomenon has been observed elsewhere, there is limited evidence linking it directly to Bermuda Triangle incidents. Still, it remains a plausible natural explanation. Another theory focuses on electromagnetic anomalies. Some pilots and sailors have reported instrument failures while passing through the area. However, modern studies show no unusual magnetic activity beyond what occurs naturally across the planet. Most instrument malfunctions can be traced back to human error, equipment failure, or extreme environmental conditions. So where did the supernatural stories come from? Much of the Bermuda Triangle's reputation was built during the mid-20th century, when books and magazines sensationalized unexplained disappearances. In many cases, incidents were exaggerated, misreported, or even fabricated. Ships listed as missing were later found safe in other ports. Aircraft supposedly lost in the Triangle were discovered to have crashed far outside the region. Fear sells stories. Mystery captures attention. When humans face uncertainty, imagination fills the gaps. The idea of time warps, alien abductions, or lost civilizations beneath the sea became part of popular culture. Movies, television shows, and novels reinforced the myth, blurring the line between entertainment and reality. Yet, when researchers re-examined the data, a pattern emerged. The number of accidents in the Bermuda Triangle is no higher than in other heavily traveled ocean regions. Insurance companies do not charge higher premiums for ships passing through it. Global maritime organizations do not recognize it as hazardous. This does not mean accidents never happen. It means they happen for the same reasons they happen everywhere else. Human error, harsh weather, mechanical failure, the unforgiving nature of the ocean. Still, the Bermuda Triangle remains fascinating, not because it defies science, but because it reminds us how vulnerable humans are in nature's domain. Even with advanced technology, the sea and sky remain powerful forces that demand respect. Perhaps the true mystery of the Bermuda Triangle is not what happens there, but why we need it to be mysterious. It reflects our fear of the unknown, our fascination with danger, and our desire to believe there are still places on Earth beyond explanation. In reality, the Bermuda Triangle is not a gateway to another dimension. It is a mirror, showing us how easily stories grow when facts are incomplete. And yet, as long as ships sail and planes fly across its waters, the legend will live on. Because some mysteries, even when explained, never truly disappear. They simply change form. If you value fact-driven explorations that go beyond headlines and uncover the real stories shaping our world, subscribe to Trillies. Here, we explore the mysteries of our planet, the universe, and human history, not with fear, but with curiosity and clarity. Your support allows these stories to be told with depth, accuracy, and respect for the truth. Subscribe to Trillies and stay curious.